welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday, October the 4th, 2025, and I posted a video earlier today, a short, earlier today. We fired this thing up, had a water leak, got to fix that, to be expected. Having a little trouble with the fuel pressure regulator. I had it mounted, but I took it loose right now. Having some issues with it, overloading the carburetor, but still, I don't know if it'll cut down. I may have to get a different one and make not cut down to the correct pressure. Still a work in progress there, but it did run. It did run. That's a good thing. Check out the short. I can't fire it back up right now for this video. I wish I could, but still got a few little things we got to work out. Project I'm working on right at the moment. The interior is a mess. I've got to take this carpet out, probably replace it. The dash got to have some work done on it. I took this loose earlier. There's some screws down in there that someone hasn't even put the tap back on. Anyway, what I've had to deal with is this right here. And I've watched a couple of videos on how to fix it. And I've almost got down to it. If anybody can see those, if you've ever had to deal with it, there's some little bolts right down in there. There's one, there's one. It's been a journey. I've had to order a special tool. I had to go buy one to pull the locking plate off. I've had to order a special tool just so I can take this out. So that's a work in progress. I knew that. We got the shifter all worked out. Probably going to get a new ignition switch for it. It's a little bit sticky, so could be the original. I don't know. And then once we get it started, where we can drive it out of here, we probably pressure wash it. It's pretty nasty. Had some issues back here with the fuel pump. We did put a all new one in there. It's on one of the shorts I posted. But I'm happy to show you the truck is back on the ground on all fours. Of course, the back will mash down a little, but I'm going to put lowering springs. Probably won't go with blocks with the V8. I'll probably order a set of lowering springs for back here. There's the stance currently. These tires, of course, won't be ran. May for a little while I'm still getting the bugs worked out, but it does currently have 2-inch drop spindles and factory coils. I may order a 1-inch, maybe 2, probably just a 1-inch coil, put up under it, get the front end setting where I want it. Then once the bed's back on and see how much it's mashed down, bring the back end back to match it, or down to match it. But that's where we are. That's what we got done on this Saturday. I know everybody's probably tired of watching the shorts from this angle, seeing the same pictures, but it's just been a slow process. Bypassed the heater coil. We just went ahead and done that right there. Just a bypass. But yeah, check out the short. It runs good. I'll try to put a link to it here if I can. But check it out and hear the thing running. Got the wires all made up. They're a little long, but we'll fix that later. Y'all have a good one. God bless, and see you on the next one.